Hello everyone. I hope everyone having very good day. Today we are in Altrincham, Manchester, and we are here to do walking tour in Altrincham, and then we going to eat in Altrincham food market. Altrincham food market is nice place to come here and eat in Altrincham food market. Check online and they told me they are having very good food in Altrincham food market, and now we decided to come here and try Altrincham food market food to see how is it this food. Okay, let's start doing Altrincham tour. Now we just came inside the Altrincham food market, and it's so nice place. It's very classic and modern and traditional and everything mixed together. And we just came in. Then when you enter the market, and there is one person, they charge you each person £1 for the service, and then after that they direct you, then they give you table. It's a so clean area, and then they ask you to just download the app. Then when you download the app, then you're going to order online, and it's a little bit complicated. It was difficult to order food in any way. We did download the app, and then we just ordered some food, a taco, which is good. I like it very much, taco. And then we have to wait, and now we are just waiting for our order to come, and then I will show you all round of this nice market, and to see what we have in here. Now you can see just behind me, I show you. It's I think there is two market going on, and this is the market. It's a different market. They sell clothes and things in different day, and today is just a food market, and all around is just behind me. You can see there is just many shops and food, and go inside, and there is a lot of food serving inside as well. Pizza, steaks, pasta, and taco, and fish and chips, and then a lot of things, a lot of food inside they serve as well. And it's they making wonderful place in this food market. Our corn is ready. It's nice, and just she brought for us. And let's see, it's the corn, fried corn. This is our corn. It's fried corn. Let's see how is this nice corn. This is our corn is ripe. Now it's so nice. You can see it's been fried and so nice. We will see how is the corn. Let we try some. Nice and salty and crispy. It's so nice. Okay, see one more. It's very hard to eat, but it's nice. Very good. This is very hard to eat with the fork. Let me try with hand. Nice. We just this salty and dry, but it's cooked properly. It's not hard to just chew. It's nice. It's very good. Very nice corn. It's so nice. It's very good. Excellent. Excellent. Very nice snack. Before food come, it's very good. Okay, now it's arrived our taco, and we have two nice taco in here. You can see this is the pork taco, and this one is a vegetarian taco in here. That's the taco, vegetarian taco, and that's the pork taco. Pork taco is a it's nice. Let me see, it's a pork taco, which is the pork and jalapeno and the red cabbage and a piece of the lemon. I think it's just there. We put some lemon over the pork taco, and there is a green sauce as well here. You can see it's sauce. Let me see how is the sauce. It's nice sauce. It's a little bit sweet and chili, and it's a little bit minty. I can feel the mint. Now we try one piece of the pork. Now that's the piece of the meat we try. Nice taco. Nice. Now I eat all together with all the stuff inside the bread, and then we will see how is that taste. You have to do all together. That's it. You have to do this with taco and all together. Let me see. Wonderful. The flavor of the red cabbage and meat and chili and the jalapeno, all, and this that's green sauce as well. All they gave a very nice and delicious taste. Let me try one more. Very nice, very juicy, and wonderful taste. That's it, boy. You can see here, all tasty, very juicy, and then that's the green sauce as well. It's very nice sauce that you put in one mouth. Very nice taste. I really like it. It's everything you have. It's so delicious. So delicious. And now we're going to try the next one. You can see it's kind of the corn. Yeah, it's the corn and broccoli, and it has a different sauce. You can see here. Let me try this sauce to see what kind of taste is it. Nice taste. It's completely different. That is more hot, spicy, and they gave a different taste. It's the kind of the mayonnaise and chili and Now we go. You can see we have to make one piece, and to see how is it. That is wonderful taste. Is that? It's kind of a smoky taste, and the avocado and corn flour and the sweet corn and all of them. It gives a wonderful taste. It's so beautiful taste. So beautiful taste. Fantastic taste. That's completely different than the first one I had. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. Okay, now we coming to end today's video. We were in Altrincham and we enjoyed very much. I hope you guys like my video, and if you enjoyed my video, and just subscribe my channel and give me thumbs up, or if you have been in the Altrincham food market, and just leave me comment below and write for me and tell what do you think about this so nice food market. I hope see you all in next video.